how to fix Doordash not placing order. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix Doordash not placing order. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to fix this issue, you have to follow these steps. The first thing that you have to do is tap and hold Doordash app and go into its settings. Over here, tap on storage. Then tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. The second thing that you can do is open up the Play Store app and check whether the DoorDash app is updated or not. If not, then just update the app. If your issue has not been solved yet, then the third thing that you can do is just open up the DoorDash app on your mobile. Then you have to tap on your profile icon, which is at the top of your screen. Then you have to scroll down and tap on help. So just chat with DoorDash customer care support in order to fix this issue. So that's how you can fix the DoorDash not placing order. That's all for this video.